Welcome to another exciting tutorial of Adobe Photoshop here at All-in-One channel. My name is Abbas. Today I am going to show you how to make a Doctor Strange light effect portal in your photos. Example are on your screen. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to make your own effect like this in your photos. You will clearly see the ring portal light reflect on the ground or on the person as well. So let's get started. Here is an example image to add neon portal effect in this image. Add a hue and saturation layer. Set saturation to -30. Then add a photo filter. Select the filter Cooling Filter 82 and set its density to 100 and opacity to 30. After selecting the opacity to 30, add a solid color layer and select the color black and change the opacity to 80. Now select the shape tool and select ellipse tool, changing its setting to no fill, and in stroke change its color to white. Then click OK and changing its pixel to 4 pixels, and now create a circle shape. Now duplicate the ellipse 1 layer. Right click on ellipse 1 copy layer and select the blending option. Click on the outer glow. Select the color blue. Type 0086FF and click OK. In the setting of softer, type 0 and 10 and change the shape and click OK. Now again duplicate the ellipse 1 layer. Go to its blending option and again check on the outer glow, and now select the white color and then click OK. Change the shape and change the setting of softer to 0 to 5 and click OK. Select the top layer and then hold the shift key and then the third layer, and then right click on any layer and select Convert to Smart Objects. Now change the blending mode to screen. Duplicate the ellipse 1 copy layer. Now go to Filter, Distort, Ripples, and set 250 and large. And then click OK. Now right click on the top layer ellipse 1, copy 2, select the blending option, select the outer glow and the blue color and change the softer to 0 to 40 and click OK. Duplicate the top layer, ellipse 1 copy 3 is made. Right click on the top layer and select rasterize layer Go to Edit, Transform and Flip Vertical. Go to Filters, Ripple, run the previous setting ripple. Move the ellipse 1 copy layer to the top. Select the top layer, then hold the shift key and then select the third layer. Right click to rasterize the layer and then right click again to convert to the smart objects. Now go to Edit, Transform and select the perspective. Adjust the corners to give it a different perspective. By changing the corner sides, its perspective change and it's convert to a 3D circle. Adjust the circle according to your setting and select the scale. Adjust the sides by holding shift key to adjust its sides. After adjusting the size, change its position to near to the subject and click the check mark. Select the color fill 1 layer and add a brightness and contrast layer. Select 150 in the brightness and click OK. Make sure the mask layer is selected and go to Images and Adjustment and invert the image. Select the brush tool. Change its flow to normal and select the white color and round 300 pixel with hardness 0 and opacity to 100. After made these changes, brush the area on the ground that you want to light. Keep in mind, brush the white color, add the light to the image, or brush the black color, erase the light from the image. So after brushing the white color, change the brush to black and remove any excess light from the image. Brush the black color at the corners or at the back of the person, or especially inside the circle to remove any excessive light. You can see the added light to the image by clicking on the eye. You will clearly see the added light to the image. Now click on the 4 eyes and click on the background. Select the quick selection tool and select the size of the brush to 50. And 100 and 10. Make a selection around the person. If you need to deselect, hold Alt key and brush, it will minus the selection. Carefully brush against the edges of the person to select. When you finish with your selection, turn on all the layers. Select the mask layer on brightness and contrast layer and select the brush tool. Select the white color, round and 100 pixels and hardness 0. Brush on the edges of the selection to add light on the person. Only brush the area on the person you want to add light. Click the eye off and on to see before and after. Hold the control key and click on the mask layer and add a gradient map layer. Click on the gradient map layer under properties. Select the black color and click OK, and blue color 0086FF, location to 50% and click OK. Change the blending mode to color. And change the layer opacity to 60%. Hold the control key, then click on the mask layer on the gradient map and select the mask layer on the color fill layer. Go to edit. Select the mask or go to edit, fill. Make sure foreground color is black. Cancel here and change the color to black. And now go to edit, fill, and now fill the background color and click OK. Go to select and deselect the image selection. Select the mask layer on color fill 1. And change the density in the properties to 20%. After changing the density to 20% in properties, Duplicate the background layer. Now go to filters. Again distort, ripple, but this time select 500 with the large ripples and click OK. Add a mask layer. Then go to images, adjustment and invert the image. Select the brush tool again. With 300 pixels and hardness to 50%. Change the color to white and brush inside the circle to create ripples in the circle. Only brush white color in the circle to create ripples. Brush the black color around the circle to erase any ripple outside the circle. Just to remember, ripples are only created in the circle. We remove all the excessive ripples around the circle or outside the circle. So our image is almost ready. To change the color, select the ellipse 1 color 1 layer and add a hue and saturation layer. Set the hue to 156 and saturation to -25 and click down the arrow box icon. Also select the gradient map layer and add a hue and saturation layer to the same value 156 and -25. And now you see the color of the circle changes. You can select any color of the circle you want. After selecting the circle color, select the gradient map and hue. Change the hue and saturation to change the light on the ground or on the person. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you like this video, please like it and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you again soon.